If you've ever wanted your Twitch chat to be able to control your lights or add a voice changer to one of your teammates or shut down your stream, you can do that. Starting today, anything your Stream Deck can do, your chat can control by chat commands or subscriptions or hype trains or anything. And it's gonna take me less than 2 minutes to show you how. This new thing is a collaboration between Elgato and Aitum. And if you're not familiar with Aitum, they're the guys that made the super popular vertical plugin. They made the multi-stream plugin, but their bread and butter, their main app is automation. So letting the stream control itself with automatic stuff so that you can focus on your content. But I want you to know going into this, I invested in Aitum a while back so that we could make that vertical plugin together. And this is also a paid tool. So do what you will with that. Let's start the timer. Over here, I've got the Stream Deck software and I've got Aitum's main app called Nexus. And the way we're gonna connect them is in the Stream Deck software, gonna go to the settings and gonna check this Enable MCP Actions. Then over here, where we're choosing the Stream Deck, we're gonna go to MCP Actions right there. That's the whole thing on that side. Over on Nexus, we're gonna hit the gear. We're gonna add an integration. We're gonna integrate it with our Stream Deck. Gonna click Elgato Stream Deck software. Name it whatever you want. We're gonna call it SD because we're short on time. Gonna be streaming some decks later. Wait for this yellow to turn gray. Now it's connected. Now, over in Stream Deck, let's decide what we want our chat to be able to do. I've got these little tube lights behind me that you can see, these little purple guys. Just for fun, we're gonna let them turn it off and on. So I'm gonna title this Tube Lights. Then I'm gonna go to Nexus and create a new command. Let's make a new command. We're gonna add a trigger. What do we want to happen that changes the lights? So we're gonna choose Twitch because we want Twitch chat to do it. The trigger type is gonna be, it can be anything. It can be a subscription, it can be bits, it can be hype trains. We're gonna have it be a chat message. And that chat message is gonna be tube lights. Now we make an action. What do we wanna happen when people type in tube lights? The device is going to be Elgato Stream Deck. The action type is gonna be run a Stream Deck action. And then the action is, look at that, it sees the one right over here, tube lights. You can actually see if I change the name or delete the name, it'll just change to be the default one, on off. And now let's save it. Now I could just hit the play button here to test it, but I'm gonna go into my Twitch chat and I'm gonna type tube lights. Oh, I did the wrong, this is the wrong light. My bad. And I'm gonna type tube lights. Ready? Just like that. That's the whole thing. Well, let's turn them back on. That's how this whole thing works. You tell Stream Deck what you want to happen, and then you tell Nexus when you want it to happen, what triggers that thing, and it all works. So anything over here, I can start and stop my stream. I can change OBS scenes if I want. Anything you can do on your Stream Deck, your chat can control. And I'm pretty sure I saw a Stream Deck on one of the desks at NASA during one of the launches. So theoretically, you could control a rocket ship. Theoretically. So pretty cool. How did we do? How are we doing on time? Did we nail it? How do you like that idea? Should we do 2-minute little tips and tricks like this more in the future? Do you like these? I don't know. Let me know. I'll see you in the next one. And as always, happy streaming.